Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about my favorite streaming platform. My favorite streaming platform is YouTube. I like YouTube because I can watch many types of videos. For example, I can watch music, movie, uh, long uh, tutorial, and education content. Uh, it's very easy to use and I can watch it anytime and anywhere. There are two good things about YouTube. First, it has a lot of free content. I don't need to pay to watch most videos. Second, it helps me learn new things. I can study, learn skill, and get entertainment at the same time. However, there are also some bad things. First, there are too many advertisements. Sometimes, as interrupt the video and makes me feel annoyed. Second, I can waste a lot of time watching videos. My final opinion is Thus, I really like YouTube because it is fun and useful. Can I relax and also learn many new things? But I think we should manage how time when you think is. What about you? What is your favorite streaming platform and why? Please comment and tell me. Thank you watching for watching. Okay, bye bye.